Introducing Access Manager Ninja by Ksolves India Limited, the ultimate solution to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Access Manager Ninja offers a centralized platform to manage user access rights with precision and ease. From CXOs to production managers, supervisors, and staff, Access Manager Ninja caters to all levels of access requirements. In any business, data security is indispensable. For several critical instances, data security is of paramount importance, like the protection of sensitive information, including customer data, financial records, and employee details. Along with that, customers trust businesses with their personal information. A data breach can shatter that trust, leading to customer attrition, negative publicity, and a damaged reputation. Through this video, I'll give you a walkthrough on how to secure your data in Odoo more efficiently and smoothly, in less time, by managing the access rights between different profiles. So, let's start the walkthrough of Access Manager Ninja. In the settings, you will see over here the user profiles. So, what the user profile does is, according to your business, how many profiles you have or how many departments you have, you can create the profiles accordingly. Suppose you have a sales admin, sales users, inventory management, or if you have an HR team. So likewise, you can create different profiles here for those users. I'm creating one sales admin profile, and all the users managing my sales at the administration level will be included here. I'll select users over here. Currently, I have 2. So I'll select both of them. By default, the internal user will be selected, as it is most important. Now, under Sales, if I want to give the administrator access, I will select the admin. If any other access I want to give, say Inventory, I can do the same. I'm entering the Inventory user over here. Now, this profile will have the internal user admin sales access and user inventory access. These groups will apply to User 1 and Ksolves. One more thing, the users can be added to multiple profiles, and the access will be managed under the OR condition over here. So now I will go back to Users. So, under User 1 and Ksolves, you will get to see that the internal user is added, the sales admin has been added, and the inventory user is added over here automatically. And User 1 is only added to one profile, that is, Sales Admin. If I go to Ksolves, this user has added 2 profiles over here, Restrict Sales and Sales Admin. Now suppose I create one more new profile with the name of the demo user. Say, demo user at gmail.com. And I will add here the Sales Admin profile, which I just added moments ago. I will save it. So, all the access for all the groups that we have added under the Sales Admin profile will be reflected here automatically. If you want to add more groups, you can do that here manually. There are no restrictions on that. Now I will change the password. I am in another window, and I am logging in with a demo user. You can see that Sales Admin privileges are reflected here. Configuration and everything is visible. And under Inventory, the user access levels are added, but the configuration is not visible. This is the basic till now. So, the purpose of profile management over here is, as you can see, that it was so easy to create the profiles and add the users under those profiles. Suppose you have hundreds or thousands of users in your company, and you're establishing a new database for them. Now you don't have to go to each thousands of users and add the access rights over there. Despite that, you can have multiple profiles, around 10 to 20, so you can create those profiles, and the users under those profiles and the access rights will be distributed and sorted. Now there is one more feature over here, which is Profile Management. So, what Profile Management does is if you want to revoke some of the access from the groups, or the profiles that you have just created. So, you can do that using profile management. For the sales admin, suppose I have created a sales segment profile. I have given the sales administrator group and the inventory user group. But despite that, the users have the admin privileges. If I want to revoke some of the access from the sales model, I can do it from here. So, I will add the name as Sales Admin. This profile management is company related. So now I am selecting the San Francisco company. The users who are under the San Francisco company, this profile management will apply to those users. I'll add here the profile for which I want to manage the access. So, as soon as I add the profiles, these three fields will be visible. The first one is to make the system read-only. So, if I check this, the users who are under the sales admin profile, the system will be opened in the read-only mode. Despite having the sales admin privileges and everything will be visible to them, but the system will be in read-only mode. The chatter will be disabled from all the modules, from all the screens. The debug mode will also be disabled. I am enabling everything. Now I am going to this profile again. I go to Sales. Here you can see that the Create button is removed now. Everything is in read-only mode. I will be unable to change anything here. You can see that debug mode is disabled, the chatters are disabled, and no chatter is coming over here. Now I will just remove these, so that I can showcase to you the further actions that we can add over here. So, suppose the sales I want to hide any menu. Say from the configuration, I will remove these sales teams. If I want to hide any button or tab, say I will hide the Confirm button. And the Order Line tab I hide over here from this. Also, if I want to hide any filter, say I select my order filter, and in Hide Group, say I select Salesperson. These things I have added over here. We will check the changes one by one that will be reflected for the demo user. Now, you can see that the new button is here. If I go to a sale order, first thing, the Order Lines tab is hidden from here. Now, if I open any quotations, the Confirm button will be invisible. You can see the Confirm button is not coming over here as we have hidden it. From the filters, you can see that we have hidden my orders filter and the salesperson group. So, my order filter is hidden. You will not be able to see my orders here. The group by a salesperson is hidden. So, these are the small things that you have to do from code earlier, which is now very easily applicable from the front end. Similarly, if we want to revoke access on the model level, both from sales orders. If you want to make this particular model read-only, you can do that. So, now I will just do this. The particular sale.order model will be read-only. First, we have done from the whole system, but now this is only for this sale. Order model. You can see that it is now in read-only mode. If you go to CRM or anything else, they will work perfectly fine. If you want to remove only the Create option, or if you want to apply the Create option, or if you want to hide the Create, Edit, Delete, or other options, you can do that from here. If you want to hide the Archive, Unarchive button, or duplicate or export, that can be done from here as well. So now, I will quickly go to Sales just to showcase right now that export and everything is there. Filters are there, Group By are there. Now I will just apply these changes. The duplicate is now removed. Duplicate is now removed and exported as well. From here, as you can see, Archive and Unarchive buttons are also removed. You can similarly remove the Reports or Hide Action whole menu. There are no records right now under the report, so it is not visible over here. For the fields, under the model level sales.order, I will again choose that and select this field. Suppose I will just make the customer field invisible. You can see that the customer is now invisible over here. Similarly, you can make it read-only or required. You can also remove the external links from the relational fields. So then you can apply over here the domain. Let's suppose I add over here, say ID is only 2. Now, only those quotations or sale orders will be visible in which the partner ID is 2. If there is any record, those reports will be visible, but there are no records as such, so it is empty right now. Similarly, if you deactivate this profile management, all the access that we have applied over here will be removed, and everything will be back to normal. So, this profile management helps you to revoke the access to hide any menu, any tab, or any group by from the front view very easily. You don't have to code and deploy it each time. You can make these small adjustments, which are vital, very easily through the front end. So, this will help you to protect your data, protect your essentials or important information from the users that you don't want to show. Similarly, I will go back to Profiles. Here you can see the tab for Activate or Deactivate. So, if you want to make this profile deactivate for this user, say for under this period, so that profile will be deactivated for that user. For example, if you have any employee on a contractual basis or any consultant or anyone who is going to work for 6 months. So, you will give them access accordingly. You will add the profile for, say, from the 1st of January to the 30th of June. So from the 1st of July, if you want that profile to be automatically deactivated, you can add the period from here and enable it. So from the 1st of July, automatically that profile will be deactivated, and that consultant will not be able to log into the system. So, this manual task is now removed, which was earlier done by the coding. Similarly, we have one more thing, the password expiration. So, to restrict the access of any unwanted user, we have introduced here the password expiration feature in which, if you have to mention the months, the intervals in which the password will expire. Say, if the password is going to expire after 7 days, notifications will go to all the users to renew their password before that date. So there will be 2 notifications given. One will be 7 days before, and one will be a day before. Suppose users have not renewed their password, so they will not be able to log in after this period. They have to first renew their password, and then they will be able to log in. So this will automatically restrict the unwanted access to your database. Also, we have one more feature over here, that only admins do have the privileges. 𝗁𝘁cie is my admin right now, and I get admin privileges. So, I will be able to log in into any of the other users' accounts easily. Suppose I have created the demo user. Now I want to enter 𝗁𝘁cie to my demo user. So that, I will be able to log in. You can see that the account is now a demo user. Now, I can access everything from here. So, this privilege is only given to the admins. One more very important feature over here is, as you install our Access Manager Ninja, if there are any groups already assigned to your users, the whole group will be exported and saved to your file manager inside your attachments. So that, at any point in time, if you fulfill that, or you want to get back to your previous access, you can easily import that Excel sheet, and all your past access rights and groups will be automatically removed. So, this feature we have added over here as well. This was all about Access Manager Ninja. Register today and enjoy free 90 days of support. If you want any further assistance, kindly email us at sales@𝘂𝘀𝗀𝘀.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.